Harambee, tuko na akili. How do you test a leader's character before you vote? Because by the time they get into power, it's already late. That's why in Kenya, we spend a lot of energy trying to remove leaders immediately after election, because we make a mistake when electing leaders. We don't focus on their character, but we focus on the competence of what they say. And in the last video, we said something very clear, that character comes before competence, not after or not alongside, but before. Because once you start considering the competence of a leader before character, you've already made a mistake. At that point, you've already done what? You've already made a mistake. And that is where most voters go wrong. They listen to what politicians say. So if you must attend the rallies, but don't listen to what the politicians say. Voters also look at projects, stadiums, markets, houses that are built by the politicians. Yet we all know that even the birds of the air can also build houses. So voters get excited by manifestos, plans, campaign energy, and even the noise. During campaigns, there is a lot of noise. We have music, new songs are composed. The politicians arrange for crowds. We have colors. But all that, listeners, is not character. All that is designed to distract you so that you don't ask the real question. And the real question is, who is this person? Who is this leader when no one is watching? That is the real question. So we are going to be looking at various tests. We have to subject these politicians to tests. And the first test is the track record test. So let's start with the first test, the track record test. But first of all, we are going to define it. What do we mean by track record? Track record is not about what someone has done or built. It is not a record of activity. No. It is about who they have been consistently. The politicians would want us to look at what they have been doing, but that is not what we are going to consider. What the voters should consider is what the person has been consistently, because anyone can do projects, but character can only be revealed. So in our next part of this video, we are going to break it down further. The track record test. Harambee! Vijana oi! Vijana oi!